All right, now you've watched the videos about soft and loud. Now the last two videos, we have some new music words in there. So when we are talking about soft and loud sounds, the music word for that is called dynamics. Can you say that word? Dynamics. Awesome. And dynamics are our soft and loud sounds. But in music, real musicians don't say soft and loud. They have different music words for that. So if you want to play soft, you're going to use the word piano. Piano means soft. And if you're going to play forte, that means you're playing loud. So forte is the music word for loud. So if you go up to a real musician and you ask them to play something forte, they're going to play it loud for you. And if you ask them to play it piano, they're going to play it soft for you. So in these next two videos that we have, you're going to hear those music words. We have Mr. Greg's Music Madness and forte piano. You'll see some little animals playing some instruments there, and they're going to play it loud and soft, which means loud is forte, soft is piano. So watch those last two videos, and you'll get to hear 3 new music words in there.